Welcome to Money Intelligence YouTube channel. What are your financial goals? Ever dreamed of getting rich faster? The way to wealth isn't encapsulated in overnight success. Rather, it's about defining clear, achievable financial objectives and adhering to them. It's about the aspiration to live a comfortable life, the liberty to pursue what you love without fretting over finances. It's about comprehending that the path to prosperity is more of a marathon than a sprint. And guess what? You've landed at the right place to master this marathon. Today, we're going to uncover 15 powerful secrets to expedite your journey to riches. Unlocking the wealth you desire is not as elusive as it may seem. It all boils down to 3 foundational secrets: your mindset, financial education, and the art of investing. Let's delve into these. Your mindset undeniably is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Ever noticed how a well-tended garden blooms? Your mind is no different. Plant seeds of aim, resilience, and positivity to reap a harvest of opportunities. Careful not to sow doubt, fear, and complacency, because all you'll harvest is regret and missed chances. Wealth's not merely about accumulating money, it's about having plenty options. And this begins with the right mindset. Next in line is financial education, your passport to prosperity. Without it, you may stumble on wealth, but maintaining it becomes a mirage. Do you ever wonder why lottery winners often go bankrupt? They lack financial knowledge to manage or grow their wealth. Prioritize learning about budgeting, saving, investing, and taxes. The knowledge you gain will reflect in the wealth you acquire. Lastly, let's navigate the realm of investing, your engine of wealth creation. Investing lets your money work for you. It's a strategic trade of money for more money. You could either spend your earnings instantly or let them grow into more wealth. The decision is yours. But remember, investing isn't an overnight riches scheme. It demands time, patience, and understanding. Begin investing early, invest consistently, and invest in what you know. These 3 secrets will pave the way to your wealth journey. With the right mindset, sound financial education, and consistent investing, you are well equipped to create the wealth you aspire for. The journey may be long and arduous, but the journey itself is the prize. Embrace the process and let the journey to wealth commence. The next secrets are about creating multiple income streams, minimizing debt, and the role of saving. Let's dive right into it. The first secret in this section is about creating multiple income streams. It's a common misconception that wealth is built solely through a high-paying job. While a good salary can certainly contribute to wealth accumulation, it shouldn't be your only source of income. Think about it this way: if one river dries up, you wouldn't want it to be your only source of water, would you? The same principle applies to income. Consider diversifying your income through side hustles, investments, or even passive income streams like rental income or royalties. This not only accelerates your wealth-building process, but also provides a safety net in case of unexpected circumstances. Next, we move to minimizing debt. Debt is like a leech that slowly sucks away your wealth. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt or payday loans, can be particularly damaging. Minimizing debt is therefore a crucial step towards wealth accumulation. Start by paying off your high-interest debts first, then move to the lower-interest ones. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate all debt. Some debt can be beneficial, like a mortgage or student loans. The key is to manage it effectively. Finally, we arrive at saving. It's the backbone of wealth accumulation. Imagine saving as a seed. When you plant it and nurture it, it grows into a sturdy tree. Similarly, when you save and invest, your wealth grows. Consistent saving, even small amounts, can lead to significant wealth over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Also, savings act as an emergency fund, shielding you from unexpected financial shocks. It may seem old school, but the importance of having a safety net cannot be overstated. These secrets are about managing your finances effectively. And remember, the journey to wealth accumulation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. With patience, consistency, and the right strategies, you can build a prosperous financial future. The 7th, 8th, and 9th secrets involve networking, time management, and continual learning. Let's delve into these a little further. Networking is more than just exchanging business cards at a professional gathering. It's about forming genuine relationships with people who can open doors to new opportunities. You see, money doesn't exist in a vacuum. It flows from one hand to another, from one business to another. By networking effectively, you're positioning yourself in the path of that flow. You're getting to know the people who can help you, advise you, and potentially invest in you. But remember, networking is a two-way street. You also need to be willing and ready to help others in your network when they need it. Moving to the eighth secret, time management. Time is the one resource that we all have an equal amount of, and yet how we use it can drastically affect our financial success. Effective time management is about prioritizing your activities to focus on what brings the most value. It's about eliminating time wasters and distractions. It's about setting aside time to plan, to strategize, and to think. Because when you manage your time well, you're not just being productive, you're being effective. You're working smarter, not harder. Finally, let's talk about continual learning. In a world that's constantly evolving, standing still is the same as moving backward. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Continual learning keeps you updated with the latest trends, the newest technologies, and the most innovative strategies. It equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and to seize opportunities when they arise. But continual learning isn't just about formal education. It's also about learning from your experiences, your mistakes, and your successes. These secrets highlight the importance of personal growth and relationships in your journey to wealth. The next three secrets are about taking calculated risks, having patience, and being consistent. Let's unravel them. First off, taking calculated risks. This doesn't mean betting your life savings on a single stock, but rather investing wisely in opportunities with potential for growth. It's about having the courage to step out of your comfort zone and venture into the unknown, armed with knowledge and a well-thought-out plan. Next, patience. Wealth creation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time for investments to mature and for compounding to work its magic. Those who rush for quick riches often stumble. Stay patient and let time do the heavy lifting. Lastly, consistency. Regular investments, consistent savings, and steady learning are pillars of wealth creation. Wealth isn't built overnight, but through consistent, incremental progress. These secrets emphasize the importance of character traits in wealth accumulation. The final three secrets involve diversification, self-discipline, and giving back. Diversification is like a safety net for your wealth. Spreading your investments across different areas can protect and even grow your assets. Self-discipline, the backbone of financial success, helps you stick to your plans and resist impulsive decisions. Lastly, giving back isn't just about being generous, it's about understanding that wealth is a cycle, and what you put out comes back to you. These last secrets highlight the importance of strategic planning and the role of generosity in wealth creation. Let's quickly recap the 15 secrets to getting rich faster that we've discussed today. Setting clear financial goals forms the foundation. Develop a positive mindset, invest in financial education, and start investing. Create multiple income streams, minimize debt, and save. Network, manage your time wisely, and never stop learning. Be willing to take risks, be and stay consistent. Diversify your investments, practice self-discipline, and always give back. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Apply these secrets and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals faster. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts.